Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits and so